Okay, besties, welcome back. So now that we're clean, moisturized, warm, and cozy from our fall shower and dinner moment, it's time to ease into the nighttime soft girl wind down. This is the part where we slow everything all the way down. We're turning down the volume on the world and turning up the peace, because we deserve that. So first things first, I put on my softest robe, that one robe that literally feels like a hug from an angel. Yeah, that one. Hair up, jewelry off, candles still glowing in the corner. The whole house is quiet and I can feel my nervous system finally exhaling. Then we move into skincare. And I don't rush this part at all. I wash my face with warm water and a gentle cleanser, taking my time massaging it in. Slow circles, no stress, no tension. Just being present in my own skin. That's real femininity, right there being soft with yourself. After cleansing, I went in with my toner and my serum, very glowy, very hydration focused. And then my thick nighttime moisturizer. Because in the fall and winter, we are prioritizing dewiness. Dry skin is not in our story. Flaky, don't know her. Dull, couldn't be us. We are glowing, we are hydrated, we are luminous on purpose. Then I did my lip mask because I want my lips to stay soft, kissable, and plush even if I'm just going to bed. We are not lowering our standards depending on the audience. We do this for US. Next, I made myself a warm cup of chamomile and honey tea. And girl, that first sip, it felt like being wrapped up in a soft blanket emotionally. Tea at night is not just a drink, it's a whole ritual. A way of telling your body, hey baby, we safe now, we can rest. Now, while the tea was steeping, I pulled out my journal. And I didn't overthink what to write. I didn't try to be poetic or deep or aesthetic. I just talked to myself. I wrote about what I'm proud of today, what I'm grateful for, and what I'm releasing. Sometimes healing isn't a big dramatic moment. Sometimes it's just a quiet paragraph. I wrote things like, I am learning to trust myself. I am becoming softer and more peaceful. I am proud of the small steps. I deserve rest. And I felt that. Then I spent a few minutes reflecting in silence, deep breaths, letting my worries melt away, the candle flickering, fairy lights glowing, soft blanket around me. It's amazing how much ambiance can shift your energy. Sometimes I do a few gentle stretches or light yoga just to release tension in my shoulders and neck. I whisper affirmations as I go, I am safe, I am soft, I am worthy. Babe, affirmations stick, don't skip them. Finally, when I crawl into bed, I wrap myself in my coziest blanket, dim the lights, and play soft lofi or rain sounds. I sometimes pull my journal back to read what I wrote and reflect. Falling asleep in this intentional, peaceful energy feels like planting seeds for a better tomorrow. And that's our full nighttime wind-down routine, besties. Slow, soft, warm, and intentional. If you made it to the end, I just want you to know you are worthy of this peace. Every little moment you spend taking care of yourself counts, and you're doing amazing just by showing up for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Babe, it helps the channel so much and lets me know you're here, glowing and growing with me. And if you have any questions, thoughts, or want to share your own nighttime ritual, drop it in the comments. I'll be there reading and chatting with y'all like always. And of course, if you want to add a little extra cozy to your own routine, check out my Shopify store. We've got feminine self-care goodies, cute candles, and soft lifestyle essentials that match this exact vibe. Link is in the description, as always. Okay, my love, I hope your night is calm, your mind is peaceful, and your body feels loved. Remember, you are soft, you are worthy, and you are enough. Sleep well, dream sweet, and I'll see you in part 3 for more cozy routines and life vibes.